Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Our main discussion is percentage. Some problems solved in the last video. It was given. Some technique also given. We can solve problems by using some techniques. Technique number 9 it was given. Now we consider technique number 10. Technique number 10. What is technique number 10? If the price of an item is decreased, then we can buy more item. Because price is decreased, then we can buy more item. So this type of problem we consider. So let us consider the technique number 10. If due to our percent decrease in the price of an item, a person can buy a kg more in rupees X, then actual price of that item equal to rupees Rx by R minus 100 minus R into A per kg. This is the actual price. So decrease percentage is R, and a person can buy a kg more in rupees X. Then actual price is Rx by 100 minus R into A per kg. So we consider this. Let us consider one problem. If due to our 10% decrease in the price of sugar, Ram can buy 5 kg more sugar in rupees 100. So decrease percent is 10 and 5 kg more sugar in rupees 100. Then find the actual price of sugar. So solution. So here we have, if we comparing with this, R percent this and this is 10%. Here R equal to 10 and 5 kg more, A kg more, A equal to 5, and in rupees X, in rupees 100. If we compare, then X equal to 100. This one. Just we compare with this. R means 10 means R, and 5 means A, and this is X. X is 100. So our requirement, find the actual price of sugar. Actual price of sugar equal to rupees Rx by 100 minus R into A. This is a formula. And putting the values, this is rupees R means 10 and X means 100 divided by 100 minus R 10 and A means 5. We get this. And if we cancelling, this is 200 by 90, 0 cancel, 20 by 90, then 2 by 9. If we divide, we get this. This one we get. So rupees, this equal to 2 by 9, this is our answer. So actual price is rupees 2 and 2 by 9. This is our final answer. So very nice solution. Just using this formula we can easily find the result. This is our answer. Consider another problem, another technique. Technique number 11. If two candidates contested in an election and one candidate got X% of total vote casted and still lost by Y votes, then total number of votes casted is equal to 100 into Y by 100 minus twice X. This is our formula. So number of candidates 2. So one candidate got X% of total votes casted. So got X%. and still lose by y votes, then the total number of votes is 10 into y by 100 into y by 100 minus twice. This is the formula. So next we consider one problem. In an election contested by two candidates, one candidate got 30% of total votes and still lost 500 votes. Find the total number of votes. This is our problem. So solution. So if we comparing with this solution, if we comparing candidate got this, here candidate got 30%. So here x equal to 30 and still lost by y votes, that y equal to here 500, y equal to 500, this one. Therefore total number of votes equal to 100 into y by 100 minus twice 6, this one, and this is 100 into y means 500, so this is 500. 100 minus twice x means 30, so this is 100 into 500 by 30 60, this is 40, we get this, and this 0 cancel, and 4 2 2 0 4 2 5, and this is 25 0, then 0 5 5 25, 5 2 are 10, 1 2 1 2 5 0. So this is the total number of votes is 1250. So option A, this is the option 1250. This is our answer. Very nice solution, very easy. Consider another problem. This is cousin of previous problem. There are only two candidates contesting the election. A person who got 35% votes lost by 600 votes. Assuming that there were no invalid votes, then the total number of votes casted are 2000, 1500, 8000, 1000. These are the options given. Which one is the correct option? We have to find. So solution is that if we comparing with this x percent, here 35%, here x equal to 35, and still lost by y votes, so lost by 600 votes, that means y equal to 600 if we comparing with this one. So find the total number of votes casted are, therefore total number of votes casted, this equal to total number of votes casted equal to our formula 100 into y by 100 minus twice x is a formula. Using this formula, this is nothing. 100 into y, the value of y is 600. 100 minus 2 into x means 35. So this is 35. So this is 100 into 600, 35 into 2, 70, this is 30. So cancelling this, we get 20. This is 2000. Total is 2000. Total number of votes casted, this is 2000. So option A is our correct option. So these are very nice solution, very easy, very simple. So I hope you are all enjoying with this type of problem. If you are all enjoying with this type of problem, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.